Hello, hello. Hi, Dave. Welcome to the live. Wait, my eyes kind of hurt. But make sure to keep hearting, guys, so more people come in and we can start faster. Yes, stop. Today we are answering the Filipinos UPCAT math practice questions, if that's alright with you. I think we can finish this in under an hour. There are 20, there are 30. Pero kaya to, guys. All maybe in an hour. Or not. I don't know how many we're gonna do. Hello, Mew. Hello, Trisha, Nata, and yes. Welcome back to the live, everybody. I hope you're doing well. I was supposed to go to the office of my internship, pero it's super duper baha in this place. Yes, I'll explain. We just started. And then later, I might end at around 9 so that I can post one more video. And then, yes. Thank you, AJ. Welcome to the live. You're early, Migoy. Yes. Hello, Y Coffee and Lay. Okay, we're starting in 3 minutes, guys. We usually start 5 minutes into the live, so make sure to tap or share the live, whatever helps, so that we can start earlier for more people. Oh, by the way, while we're waiting, ASET, thank you, Christ. ASET is now open. What is ASET? ASET is the Ateneo. Guys, I suggest you take the ASET. If you are from a public school, public equals free. Okay? Free ASET. Actually, hindi ko pa nakikita. I should add it to my story. I should tell people to apply ASET. Ateneo. Let's look it up on Instagram. But parang di pa open. Open na ba? Oh, it's open. College admissions now open. Syempre baligtad. Ayan. College admissions now open. You guys should apply. Walang pasok bukas? Really? Thank you, Saturn or Jupiter. Sorry. My science is bad right now. OTSKHM. That's the name. My essay part, yes, not during the exam I'm not so sure. I'll ask my brother. Pero my essay sa application part. So, the essay, can I see 1 and 2? Oh, we answered this last time, but it's kind of easy lang, the 1 and 2. So, there. Thank you, Christ. You guys should go to Ateneo. Apply for the Ateneo, guys. Yes, Nico is here. Nico actually got a scholarship in Ateneo, but he rejected Ateneo. He hates us. I don't know why. Joke lang. Why is it blurry? What's just blurry? The screen? Oh. Baka pag malayo. So we have to get it closer. There. Pero hindi siya mababasa. Free lang po ba ASET? If you're from a public school, public, free. Free application if you're from a public school. Okay? What else? I'm not sure if scholar ka sa private. I don't know if that works to make you free din sa Ateneo, sa ASET. But yeah, you should just apply. If taga-public school ka, just try applying. Or science high school. Kasi worth it naman mag-try, guys. Tapos makakapasok pa kayo sa Ateneo. And then, pwede kayo magsama ng tao. So, actually, my mom got to go inside din during that time. Tapos, sasakay kayo ng Egypt. Basta, sobrang saya. Sobrang saya ng ASET. ASET era, guys. Promise. ASET. So, yeah. It's very fun, actually. Free sa private if top 10. Oh, okay. Thank you, Nico. So, if nasa top 10% ka ng graduating class, for example, 200 kayo, if nasa top 20 ka, pasok ka, then you are free to apply. Free lang yung application, guys. OR, hello, Hev Jada. Are you from ME? OR is the course we take if you're from my course. It's called Operations Research. Hindi siya research katulad ng science. It's more of, hindi siya research at all. It's like a math problem solving thing. Pag Olfu, I don't know, is Olfu a public school? Anyway, so take the ASET, guys. I'm gonna leave that there. We have 30 more seconds and then we can start watching. I start answering. So, yes, this is our first question. Very basic. I think everything on this one is actually very basic. So, we can finish this reviewer today if we can speedrun it. Let's see how we do, guys. How do you apply for an honors program in Ateneo? The only difference, you can just apply for an honors program as your first choice. Tapos, the only difference is, kailangan makapasok ka sa top 15% ng applicants. So, pagdating na ng ASET, diba, pretend 10,000 people apply. Dapat makapasok ka sa top 1,500 na, oopsies. Oh, hindi siya kita. Oh, di kita yung, wait, let me just put on my do not disturb right now. Yes, so dapat nasa top 1,500 ka to get into an honors program. Okay, are we ready? No, you're not late. We're literally in the first number we're doing. So, yes, we're doing number 3 as our first number. Go for BSMS MIS. Odwin. Hello, Odwin. Welcome back to the live. What does your course do? Would you care to expound? I'm gonna put up the poll, guys, so start answering. Odwin, why would you recommend your course? I think I wouldn't take it because I think it's coding. That's how I see it. May coding sa course mo. So, X siya for me. Wait, I can't open the poll. No way. No way, guys. No poll. The poll's not working. But, what the hell? Yeah. Wait, let me fix it. Hello? Poll doesn't want to work for us, guys, so we're not doing a poll today, I guess. I'll try again later. But for now, ASET is just as hard as the UPCAT according to my brother. Mas mahirap daw yung math sa ASET kesa sa UPCAT. So, yes, mahirap ang math, sabi din ni Nico. Mahirap daw ang math. Lalo na pagkapasok ng Ateneo, mahirap ang math, guys. Number 3, what is the slope of the line perpendicular? Remember, guys, we taught this last time. This is the equation of the line. Let me write it down. This is a slope-intercept form ng equation of the line. So, if you guys want to check out the in-depth video we did for this one, you can check it out. It's on YouTube. Tapos, alam natin that slope-intercept is in the form y is equal to mx plus b. And alam natin na ang slope ang m. So, slope by m. So, what is the slope of this equation, guys? Can somebody tell me what the slope is? We're gonna end at around 9, if that's okay with you guys, or 9:10. Because I might make one more video. I might make a video na lang of a question. Yes, -5. Yes, -5 ang slope ng line na to. Bakit siya -5? Kasi y is equal to mx plus b. So, ang b dito ay yung 9. Ang m dito ay -x. Okay? So, m is equal to -x. Now, when they say perpendicular, okay, m is equal to -5. So, now that we have -5, what's your answer, guys? Wala pa namang sagot. I'm still trying to open this poll, but it's not working. How do I make myself a poll? The poll's not working. It's so mean to me. Tapos, ang gagawin natin dyan, bakit B ang sagot nyo, guys? Hindi pa tayo tapos. So, pag perpendicular, remember, this is a line, diba? This is a line. Kapag parallel sila, same ba ang slope nila, yes or no? Pag parallel sila, same ang slope nila. Pero, kapag perpendicular, itong perpendicular, that means it forms a 90-degree angle with the original line. Yes, with the original line. So, pag parallel, equal dapat. Pag perpendicular, dapat negative reciprocal. So, we just have to get, hala, ang dami yung mali. Anong sagot? Char. Wait lang. Let's move this A set. It's in the way. Parallel is equal, just normal slope equal. Perpendicular is negative reciprocal. So, what is the negative reciprocal of this? That would be 1 over m or 1 over negative 1 over m, or negative 1 over negative 5, which is just equal to 1 over 5. So, the answer is letter C. Hala, hindi ko makita yung mga kasi walang Paul. The answer is letter C, guys. Do you get why? Kasi makakancel. Thank you for the heart, me, Matthew. Makakancel ang negative sign ng negative 5 kasi may negative pa yung negative reciprocal. Yes. If it's parallel, yes, 5 lang ang hinahanap. Okay? I'll give another example. Let's give another example. Y is y minus 3x is equal to 2. What is a slope parallel to this? What is the slope of a line parallel to this? What is the slope of line parallel? Hala, wala talaga tayong Paul. Is it 3 or negative 3? Let's see. So guys, remember, it has to be in the form y is equal to mx plus b. As you can see dito, wala pa siya sa form na yon. Kailangan niyo pa mag-transition. So, how do we transition it? Kailangan y is equal to mx plus b. Magkatabi ba yung y and x sa side na to? Hindi, diba? So, naghiwalay sila. Kailangan natin siya ihiwalay. Kaya nga siya naging x ni y. So, we move that over here. It will become positive 3x. Diba? Magiging positive. Transpose, yes. Plus 2. So, the answer is 3. 3 lang ang sagot, guys. Kasi, parallel ang tanong ko. Remember, pag parallel, kailangan equal. Parallel equal, let's highlight this. Parallel equal, perpendicular, negative reciprocal. So, pag ang tanong ay slope of the line na parallel, dapat equal lang dito. So, yung m lang ang hinahanap. Pag negative reciprocal, negative 1 over m siya. Okay? Yes. Note, this is Samsung Notes. Okay, do you want one more example or can we move on, guys? One more example? Got it. You got it already? Okay, amazing. Move on. Okay, move on na daw sila. Hala, marunong pala kayo mag-move on. Kaya nyo naman pala eh. Sorry. Next number. Simplify 5 over 8 plus 1 half minus 5 over 16. Cam is Logitech. Webcam lang siya. Perpendicular pag negative reciprocal. So, katulad siya nung example dito. So, 1/5 is the answer to letter C. C. 1/5. Ayan. 1/5 is the answer. By the way, if you guys are new here, ACET is now open. Apply to Ateneo. Apply to Ateneo. For free. Go to the campus for the clout, guys. Apply to Ateneo. May bayad siya if you're from a private school. Sorry. Yes, it's clickbait. Public school, free. Top 10% ng private equals free. Okay. So, ayan. And then, if you want, yes, wala silang accountancy. Where can I find the application? Check out their Instagram. Or just search Ateneo application sa Google. Lalabas siya. Okay, going back to the one kanina, y is equal to 3x, last na guys, plus 2. Pag hinahanap naman ang negative reciprocal, it will just be negative 1 over m, which is equal to negative 1 over 3. Because m is 3. Remember, y is equal to mx plus b, m is 3. So, lalagay mo lang siya sa ilalim. Okay, walang architecture sa Ateneo. I'm so sorry. The thing about Ateneo education, guys, wala silang super specific courses. Ano ibig sabihin nun? For example, wala silang architect, accountancy. Yung mga courses na ganun kasi, pagka-graduate mo, alam mo na kung what you will be. Pag architecture ka, magiging architect ka. Pag accountancy ka, magiging accountant ka. Yung Ateneo daw, yung mga courses niya is more holistic na you can go into many different fields. So, hindi sila, kaya walang civil engineering, ganun. Pero merong electrical engineering. Pero walang iba, wala masyadong engineering, tapos ganun. So, they try to go, they make you a flexible para pwede ka in many different fields. More ganun. Wala din silang nursing. So, no nursing, no accountancy, no architecture, what else they want? Entrance exam, walang bayad if you are from a public school. And if you are in the top 10% of your private school, wala ding bayad. So, mag-apply na kayo guys. Masaya pumasok dun. And maganda din, yes, taught ka ng marami. Tapos madami ding scholarship guys. As in, nakita nyo ba yung MMK ata? May napunta sa MMK na scholar siya ng Ateneo. Tapos dati daw, like, beggar siya sa streets, ganun. Tapos naging scholar siya ng Ateneo. And yung scholarship, hindi mataas ang requirement para magstay ka. As long as wala kang bagsak. And then, ayun, alam ko lang kailangan wala kang bagsak if financial aid yung scholarship mo. Super bait nila sa scholars, guys. Okay, we're moving on. 5 over 8. Ang laki ng ballpen na yun. So, wait lang. Let's put it at 8. Okay, 5 over 8 plus 1 half minus 5 over 16. So, all we have to do, guys, is solve it. And how will I solve this? What I would do is turn it all into similar fractions. Remember what we did before? Ateneo or UP? In terms of what? Kasi I chose Ateneo, guys, kasi for me, I mean, my course was better. Mas maganda yung ME or Management Engineering kesa sa IE, Industrial Engineering. Shortcut, guys, for this, I think it's easy lang. We know na 8 and 2 pwede sila maging 16. So, paano ko gagawing 16 yung dalawa? Una kong gagawin is gawin natin tong 16. What we do, multiply 2 to the ilalim. Copy ko lang Gawin natin 16 lahat ng ilalim. 16, 16, and 16. This is called the LCD. Yes, least common denominator. Kita naman agad na yun ang LCD nila. Hello to the 1.3k people if you guys are new here. Make sure to follow. So, anong gagawin guys? How do we get 8 to 16? You multiply by 2. So, ang gagawin din natin dito sa taas, we multiply by 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Next, 2 to 16, multiply by 8. So, yung taas, magiging multiply by 8. And lastly, copy lang natin si 5. So, that's it. 10 plus 8 minus 5 is equal to 13 over 16. Very basic. The answer is, wala ang sagot. The answer is, ba't wala ang sagot? Mali bang addition ko? Ay, plus ba lahat? What the... Joke lang. Bakit 8? Tama, 8 naman Because we multiply by 8 here. minus. That's still, wala pa rin ang sagot. 18 minus 5 is 16. Oh, wait, the answer is... Wait, it's still not there. I'm trying to find it. Plus minus 5. 10 plus 8. 13 over 16? Yeah, that's what I said. Mali LCD. Anong mali yung LCD? Guys, tama yung LCD. 16 ang LCD. Kasi, it's the least common. Pwede maging 8 and 16. Ay, pwede maging 16 ang 8 times 2. Correct yung LCD. Wala ang sagot. 13, guys, kahit i-calculate nyo pa yan, ako ang tama. Pag mali ang choices, ibig sabihin, pag wala sa choices, ibig sabihin mali ang choices. Kasi tama ako lagi. Char. We know, ako ang batas. To the people that are here all the time, ako ang batas. So, the answer is 13 over 16. But, I'm trying to see if there's a similar fraction. Kasi pwede din siya, kunyari, pagdating sa actual choices, guys, meron minsan, bonus daw. Walang bonus sa UPCAT, guys. Pero pag minsan, I mean, possible naman na magkamali sila sa UPCAT. But, what will happen is, hayaan nyo na lang siguro. I think just try to answer what you can. And pag may bonus naman, sila naman yung magbo-bonus na nun. So, wag kayong mag-panic masyado if wala sa choices yung sagot nyo. As long as sure kayo na yun talaga yung sagot. Right? How did we get 8 daw? So, remember, what you do onto the ilalim, you have to do onto the taas. That is the golden rule of fractions. So, how did we get 10 over 6? Remember, how do you go from 8 to 16? You have to multiply by 2. Ano ang kailangan i-multiply sa 8 para maging 16 siya? Yun din ang gagawin natin sa taas. So, dahil nag-times 2 tayo sa ilalim, magta-times 2 din tayo sa taas. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. In the same way, yun din ang gagawin natin dito sa ilalim. 2, anong gagawin sa 2 para maging 16? Multiply by 8 siya. So, yung taas, i-multiply din natin by 8. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. Kaya siya 8 over 16. And you know na ang lowest term, ano lowest term ng 8 over 16? That's just 1 half. Ganun lang siya. Actually, pag mas nasanay na kayo sa fraction, what do you call that? Automatic na yung pag-solve nyo. Do you guys want another one like this? Let's solve another fraction one, okay? Let's solve another fraction one. Hello to the 2K people here. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. By the way, 11 days left till the UPCAT. 11 days. Are you guys ready? That's so scary. We've been studying here. I remember I said there was like 40 days left. We are doing one more, guys. Just so the people can catch up. 4 fifth plus 2 fourth minus 7 over 20. So I made a very similar one. Can you guys answer this? Can you guys answer this? So what is the LCD? That's my first question. What's the LCD? UPCAT is the UP College Admission Test. This one's the ACET, Ateneo College Admission Test. So if you guys want to apply to Ateneo, it's the best school ever. Just kidding. 20 ang LCD, correct. So the first step we do, redraw the fractions kasi gusto natin gawin na silang same. Make them 20, 20, 20. Copy the signs. This will be plus and this will be minus. So i-convert na natin sila. Itong 7, gagayahin lang siya kasi over 20 naman siya. Next thing we do, what will be the numerator of this number, guys? 5 to 20, you have to multiply by 4. So what will be this one over here? What will be the numerator over here? Good job, NME. It's 16. 16 over here. Next one, bakit 16? You have to multiply 4 times 4. And then next we have over here, 4 times 20 is just, 4 times blank is equal to 20. That's 4 times 5. So this will be 15. Yes, 15. Oh, diba? So basic. And lastly, that's it. So 31 minus 7 is equal to 24 over 20. And that's kind of the answer. That's it, guys. How did it become 20? You have to think of the lowest common denominator. Lowest common denominator, yung number dyan. Kung ano ang pwedeng, like, lowest na multiple nila. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Hindi na isa-simplify, pwede naman. Pero depende sa choices yan. Like, for example, kasi dito, actually, wala na palang mas-simplify. But yeah, you can simplify it. Basta, depende sa choices. Tignan nyo muna yung choices. Yes. Equation of the line. I did teach equation of the line. You can check out my video recording over here on YouTube. So, if you guys are new here, I've been teaching for 30 days, I feel. 30 days now, actually. So, yeah, just check out the YouTube videos. If you guys are cramming for the UPCAT, you have 11 days left. You can binge watch the videos on YouTube. But naging 15, you just multiply 3 times 5. Kasi 4 times 5 is equal to 20. So, i-multiply mo din by 5 yung taas. Okay? Moving on. Are we ready to move on, guys? 21 minus 7. It's 31. Do you know how to add? Why are you questioning me? 21 minus 7. Add 16. Plus 15. Girl, that's 31 minus 7. Next question. Move on. Yes, let's move on. Hindi pa ako nakamove on sa kanya, sabi niya. Umiyak. Yes, we are posting this on YouTube, guys. Every day we post it on YouTube. Why? Times 4. Okay, let's continue. Subtract. Hala, mahaba siya, guys. Subtract and simplify. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay factoring. So, madami tayong ifa-factor. Are you guys ready to do this with me? If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Medyo mahaba to, but I feel like kaya natin siya in less than 3 minutes. Char. Hindi nag-open yung poll, guys. So sad. Pero, ilagay nyo lang dyan kung ano yung sagot nyo. May letter D pa ata to. Ito yung letter D. D is 4 over x plus 5. Let me write it down. 4 over x plus 5. By the way, I upload the annotated files after the live, so you can follow me on IG. I'll put it there. Idaan sa dasal. Wag ganun, guys. Kaya natin to sagutan. So, we're gonna start. Remember, okay, we're gonna start from this one. Yung pinakataas muna. I'm gonna teach you guys how to factor ano tawag dito? Polynomials. Yes, polynomials. So, how do we factor this? Remember, what you're gonna do is draw 2 bubbles. Draw 2 bubbles like this. And then, you write down x and x. Kasi x squared yan. So, reverse trinomial, yes, trinomial. This is reverse FOIL method, okay? And then, what do we do next, guys? You look at kung ano ang factors nito. Anong pwedeng factors ng 2? That's just 2 times 1. Tapos, dapat pag in-add silang dalawa, magiging equal sila dito. So, dahil ito lang yung factors niya, and kapag in-add naman si 1 and 2, equal naman siya sa 3, yun na agad ang ilalagay natin. So, that's x plus 1 times x plus 2. So, yun na yun yung factor niya. So, now let's do the second one, guys. Ano ang factors nung nasa ilalim? Very basic, guys. X, remember, draw the two bubbles first. Draw the two bubbles like this. Anong factors nitong nasa ilalim? 5 and 1 lang ang pwede dito. So, basic lang siya, diba? And then, is 5 plus 1 equal to 6? Yes, it's equal to 6. So, very basic. It's 5 and 1. Hindi siya 2 and 3, guys. Bakit hindi 2 and 3? Ito ang titignan mo. Dito ka titingin sa dulo. Yung dulong number, yun ang titignan ng factors. Tapos, dapat, yung pag in-add up sila, dapat equal siya dito sa gitna. So, wag kayo malito. Yung dulo ang tinitignan, tapos yung gitna yung kailangan maging sum. So, product yung dulo, sum yung gitna. So, that's plus 5 and plus 1. And then, let's do this one naman. So, nagawa na natin yung dalawa. What about the one on top, guys? Now, dito na tayo nagkakaproblema. Char, hindi naman problema. But we have 12 over here. Now, madaming factors ang 12. We have 12 times 1. We have 6 times 2. We have 3 times 4. So many factors. Tapos, pag nakita niya dito, negative ang sign niya. Kapag negative ang sign niya, possible na negative 12 plus 1, na negative yung 1 dito. Basta kailangan, isa dito ang negative. Possible na dito ang negative, or possible na dito ang negative. So, dito na pumapasok ang TAE method, or trial and error. And kailangan makuha natin ang positive 4. So, yes, the people in the comments are saying it. Are we going too fast? Let me know if we're going too fast, by the way. But, as you can see, nag-trial and error sila, and they got na kapag 6 and negative 2, what's 6 times negative 2? That will give you negative 12. So, check ito sa product part. Now, if you add naman, i-add natin silang dalawa, magiging positive 4. So, check din ito. Kaya alam natin, ang factors ay, draw the bubbles like this, ang factors niya ay positive 6 and negative 2. I'll give you another example, guys. What about kung negative x lang ito? What if negative x lang yan? Ano ang factors nito? 12 pa rin yung dulo niya. So, dito lang kayo titingin. Ano ang possible factors if negative x siya? What are the two factors? Yes, Mikey, good job. It's 4 and 3, pero alin yung negative? So, yes. It's not 12 and 1. Bakit 12 and 1, guys? How are you getting 12 and 1? It's negative 4 and 3. Bakit negative 4 and 3? So, let's look at it again. Negative 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Is equal to negative 12. So, check siya sa dulo. Dapat, guys, dapat equal siya sa dulo dito. Dapat equal yung dalawa. Okay? Etong dalawa ay equal dapat. This one and this one. Tapos, kapag in-add mo dapat sila, negative 4 plus 3 is equal to negative 1. Dapat equal siya dito. Negative 1 is equal to dito. So, this is the sum. Sum yung gitna. Product ito. Okay? So, yun yung way ng pag-check natin. Hello to the 2.3k people. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We do live every day for math usually. And the UPCAT is in 11 days. So, make sure to stick around. You have 11 days left, guys. Yes, pwede maging negative. Yes, negative siya. Okay, so, meron na tayong sagot dyan. Let's move on to the last one. So, positive naman tong last one. So, very basic. What is the answer to the last one, guys? Ano ang possible dito? That's 30 times 1. Pero obvious na siya, diba? Obvious na siya, kinda. 15 times 2. Or 6 times 5. And kita naman dito na 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Right? 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So, this is just x plus 6 and x plus 5. Wow! Now, we have all factors. Diba we did that so basic, so easily, guys? Walang calculus sa UPCAT. Sorry, Claude. Madami namang nagla-live na TikToker dyan, na calculus. Pero we are sticking to the UPCAT for now. So, what do we do next, guys? Dito na tayo magaling. Nagka-cancel tayo. Okay? So, we learn how to cancel culture it. Now, what can we see? Pag meron sa taas and meron sa baba, pwede tayo mag-cancel. Yes. So, as you can see, negative 1 and 1. Ay, hindi pala negative. X plus 1, pati x plus 1 nasa taas and nasa baba. Next, we have x plus 6 and x plus 6. Yes, we cancel them both. So, ayun lang ata ang pwedeng i-cancel. Tapos, i-rewrite na natin siya. That's equal to x plus 2 over x plus 5. Sinusulat ko lang yung natira. Minus x minus 2 over x plus 5. What are the people saying? Sorry. Will you still go live for ADMU? Let's see. I'm not so sure kasi kung anong... Similar lang naman kasi if nag-aaral na kayo for UPCAT, same na yung aaralin nyo for the A-set. So, more of refresher na lang siya. Kaya dapat ngayon pa lang nag-aaral na kayo, guys. Para lahat ng sets, lahat ng college exams na ita-take nyo, madali na siya after ng UPCAT. Okay? Yes. Kaya nyo daw yan, sabi ni Nico. Walang calculus, walang calculator, no anything, just your brain and you. So, as you can see, guys, similar fractions sila, diba? Pareho silang x plus 5, so pwede na natin sila ipagsama. So, that will give us, ipagsama na natin sila, x plus 2 minus x minus 2 is over x plus 5. So, dahil pareho ang denominator nila, pwede na natin siya i-put together. Tapos, we distribute the sign over here, the negative sign, and that will give us x plus 2 minus x plus 2 over x plus 5. And as you can see, maka-cancel out dito ang x kasi negative yung isa, positive yung isa. And that will give us 4 over x plus 5. So, the answer is, thank you so much. The answer is letter B, D. The answer is letter D. Did you guys get that? The answer is letter D. Paulit-ulit ka na, te, papansin. Wow, shout out sa kanya. Ba't ka ba nandito? Gusto mo lang pumasa ng UPCAT eh. Ako nakapasa na ako. Char. Graduate na ako. Anong gagawin mo? So, the answer is letter D, which is letter D over here. Next question. Ay, hindi ba siya? Ako pa. Sorry, I wanted to... Hindi daw ako yung papansin. Baka may ibang papansin sa comments. Shout out sa kanya. Kala ko ako eh. Sorry forever and always. Kanina kasi may nangaaway sa akin guys sa TikTok comments. Sabi niya, bakit daw Tapos sabi ko, ba't niya ako inaaway? Bala nga siya. Whatever. Sorry. As a person na war freak. Next question. I publicly apologize to forever and always. Nasaan ka ulit? Pipin kita ulit. I publicly apologize. Tag mo kasi yung inaaway mo, hindi yung walang tag. Pag mga away ka dyan na, may kaaway ka, itag mo siya, hindi yung parang ako yung inaaway mo. Dapat malakas loob nyo, guys. Next question. Yan kasi, nag-aaral lang tayo eh. Huwag kayong mang-away. Multiply and simplify. Ooh, we're multiplying and simplifying. How do we do this easier? I'm not sure how we can do this easier. But I think, ang pwede natin gawin, basically, FOIL method ang gagawin natin. Or may easier way ba? Do you guys see an easier way? Oh, I see an easier way. This is just factoring again, guys. Kamukha ko daw si Lupi o hindi ko. I don't see it. Okay, let's see. Hello to the 2.4k people. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Yes, make sure to follow. We have 11 days left. So, what can we do here, guys? We can factor. So, simplify, based sa word na simplify. Pag mahirap kasi yung question, katulad nito, guys, mahirap yung question, di ba? Huwag kayong matakot. Ang una nyong gagawin, i-cancel ang pwedeng i-cancel. Yes. Cancel what you can cancel. Thank you for following. Ang dami pa palang hindi naka-follow, guys. Imagine 11 days na lang. Ang tagal na natin dito. Yes, so this is the question. What can we cancel first? As you can see dito, 2x plus 4. Ang 2x plus 4, pwede tayo magtanggal or mag-factor out ng 2. Kasi may 2 dito sa x and may 2 dito sa 4. So, ilalabas natin si 2. Pag nilabas natin si 2, it will become 2. Thank you for the gift, Miss Faith. 2 and x plus 2. Okay? 2 and x plus 2. So, let's rewrite that. It will become 2 multiplied by x plus 2. Now, yung ilalim, hindi na yun mapa-factor, so isulat na lang natin siya. Tapos, hello, Mythical. Yes, you're late, but it's okay. We're gonna be here for maybe 30 more minutes. What about yung 3x plus 5? Walang poll, guys. For some reason, ayaw niya gumana. I'm so sorry. Hi po, Honey. Who's Honey, guys? In what K-pop group is that or something? What about 3x plus 5? 3x minus 15. What is the factor? Can somebody tell me what the factor of this one is? Hello to the 2.6k people. We're so many today. Welcome to the live. I'm Julia. I was a full scholar in Ateneo, so you can check out my scholarship playlist. And what else? Yes, I graduated Ateneo BS Management Engineering. This will become 3x minus 5. Good job, guys. Bakit 3x minus 5? Just divide this by 3 and divide this by 3. So, pwede tayo maglabas ng 3. And then, copy x plus 2 sa ilalim. Now, what's the next step, guys? Very basic. We cancel. Thank you so much, XEUGSEAQ, for the cowboy hat. Welcome to the live. You guys don't have to send gifts, it's okay. Just make sure to follow. We are here to help people out. So, cancel x plus 2. Cancel x plus 2. Cancel x minus 5. Cancel x minus 5. Ano na lang natira? Natira na lang ay 2 and 3. So, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Very basic. You guys did it. Letter D. All you have to do is just multiply whatever is left. Yes. Thank you for the roses, XEUGSEUE. Thank you for the roses. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, cancelled. Okay, are we ready to move on? Hello to the 2.8k. Is this our maximum ever? Hello, guys. Guys, go like the live. Are we gonna get to 3k for the first time ever this year? Hello to the 2.9k people. We are here to teach UPCAT math. Welcome to the live. So make sure to follow. Yes, 2.9k is kind of crazy. There are too many people watching me. Don't look at me. Just kidding. Divide and simplify. Oh, so very basic, guys. We're just gonna divide. What can we see already sa taas over here? What can we do? We can factor it again. Hello to... Oh, wait, let me screenshot. Say hi, guys. Say hi. To the people watching on YouTube, it's the first time we've hit 3k. So, yes. Amazing, guys. Welcome. Wait, I'm gonna take a picture of it. So, stay there. And hello, everybody. Welcome to the live. We hit 3k today. Smile. Okay, that's it. Wait, one more. Amazing. I'm live. There are 3k people. It's kind of crazy. Okay, later. I'll eat later. Or tomorrow. Okay, welcome back. Okay, we're gonna answer this one, guys. Let's answer it while there are 3k people. So make sure to bring out your papers and start answering this one as well. The first thing we have to do is factor out 2 over here. Now, what do you guys want to factor? Kasi this is something tricky kasi may negative siya. So there are 2 ways we can factor this. One, pwede tayo mag-factor ng negative 2. So how do we put out negative 2 dito? Magiging negative 2 sa labas, tapos x na lang ang matitira dito. Pero ito, what will happen to 4 kapag negative 2 ang nilabas natin? What will happen? Does anybody know? What will happen pag... Yes, it will become negative 2. Good job, guys. Bakit siya magiging negative 2? Kasi, you divide 4 divided by negative 2, that will give you negative 2. So, as you can see, the factor is 2, negative 2 times x minus 2. So, from there, guys, kita na natin, kamukha niya to, diba? Kamukha niya to. Magkamukha sila. Baka magkapatid sila. So, yes, magkamukha sila. So, what does that mean? Let's copy ulit yung under, which is x minus 1. Tapos, kapag divide kasi ito, guys, kapag divide, it's the same thing as multiplying by 1 over whatever that number is. So, gusto ko lang siya ilagay sa baba. Kaya, yan, ilagay lang natin siya sa baba. So, ginawa ko siyang multiply, pero linagay natin siya sa baba. Okay? So, now, what can we see? Can we cancel something? Yes, we can cancel again. Yes, tito niya ata. We are canceling again, guys. So this is cancelled and this is cancelled. So ano na lang matitira? It will be negative 2 over x minus 1. So wala na tayong maka-cancel dyan. Kaya the answer is, what's the answer, guys? Letter C yan. Letter C, guys. Sino nagsabing letter B? Bakit letter B ang sagot nyo? Thank you for staying to the 3K people. Were you satisfied by my answer? I need to drink water. Anong test? This is for the UPCAT. So, we are teaching the UP College Admission Test. So, malapit ng UPCAT. If you're new here, the UPCAT is in 11 days. So, you have 11 days left to study. So, make sure to follow. 3.2K. That's so crazy, guys. I don't think I've ever hit this number in my entire life. My voice is running out. Let me just take a screenshot. A picture. Thank you. I hit 3.3K. Grabe naman sila. Let me just drink water. Are we ready for the next question? Hala, mas mahirap na ang tanong. Baka mawala na ang mga people for today's video. A class contains, let me check. Amazing. What the hell, brother? 3.4. What are you doing? Are you guys just opening another account? You guys are crazy right now. Wait, it's 3.4 in mine, not 3.5. But it's okay. Hello. So crazy, guys. What are you doing over here? Did we hit the FYP for today? Yes. Di po ba x minus 2? No, hindi siya x minus 2 times 1. Negative 2 over x minus 1 is the answer. Yes, that is the answer. Next question. Amazing. A class contains 2 boys for every 1 girl. 75% of the boys have taken algebra, whereas 50% of the girls have taken algebra. What is the ratio of boys who have taken algebra to the girls who have taken algebra? So what we're gonna do here, guys, is use something called simple example. So, sabi dito, a class contains 2 boys to 1 girl. So, 2 boys to 1 girl is in the ratio 2 is to 1. So, paano natin papadaliin? When it comes to, what do you call this? To boys and girls or populations, always use 100s in the terms of 100s, okay? So, we're gonna do 200 boys is to 100 girls. Bakit? Kasi yun ang madaling gawin, okay? This is the boys, this is the girls. And then what do we do next? 75% of the boys have taken algebra. So what is 75% of 200? 75% daw. Tapos dito, 50%. So if you guys are new here, by the way, while people are new here, nasa FYP, thank you, Raya. While you guys are new here, I'm gonna teach you about this. So we have to spread the good news of the Lord. Joke. We have to spread the good news of simple fractions. So if you guys are new here, make sure to screenshot this. This is your lifesaver in the UPCAT. If there's one thing I want to impart before you leave the live, you have to memorize simple fractions. And when I say memorize, I mean memorize. The way I memorize simple fractions is by making Quizlet, ano tawag dun? Flashcards. So, write it down on a piece of paper, 1/2 sa side na to. Sa side na to, 0.5. So, dapat memorize nyo yan, guys. And as you can see, 75% falls under 3/4. So, ito yung gagamitin natin sa problem natin. Remember, 75% is 3/4. So, let's go back. So, how will I solve this without a calculator? So, it may look hard for you, but alam naman natin na pag percent, same lang yan as the decimal form na 0.75. And 0.75 is equal to 3/4. So, all I have to do is 3/4, 3 over 4 times 200. So, how do we multiply this easily, lalo na pag walang calculator sa UPCAT? All you have to do is cancel where you can cancel. 200 divided by 4, guys. 200 divided by 4, so basic. That's just 50. 50 times 3 is equal to 150. So, 150 ang answer. Yes. 50, yes. 150. So, yun lang ang gagawin to get 75% of 200. We're in the UPCAT, guys. You only have 1 minute to answer each question. So, we're trying to help you find shortcuts to easily solve each question in under 1 minute, hopefully. Yes, make sure to follow and ask Nico any questions. Nico is from the UP Help Desk. So, if you have questions about the UPCAT, you can ask him. Now, what about 50% of 100? Very basic naman ang 50%. That's already just 50. How do we get that? Kaya tayo gumamit ng 100. When we use 100, any percent, kunyari, what's 97% of 100? It's just equal to 97. Kaya maganda yung example na 100. Which is why we set that simple example. Okay? The simple example. Kaya natin ginamit yung 100. So now, we have 150 is to 50. Boys to girls ba yung tanong? Boys to girls. So that will be, what's the, divide both sides by 50 to get the lowest term, because pareho silang divided by 50. And that will give us 3 is to 1. Did you get the answer? 3 is to 1 is letter C. C for Christ, everybody. Amazing. Thank you for sticking around, guys. 3 is to 1. Yes, it's the sure answer. Like, sure na sure na. Like, mas sure pa sa inyong dalawa. Please help. What do you need help with? Oh, hindi. Nico's help desk na lang. Sorry. Din-announce ko na ba din, Nico? Yes. Wow. Yes, we will post the recording. So if you guys want to leave and come back anytime, go check out my YouTube. Just make sure to subscribe. Tapos, free PDFs and the annotated files will be on Instagram. So you guys should join the Instagram channel if you guys are new here. Thank you for being here, everybody. Yes, just make sure to follow. Okay, next question. Are we ready for the next question? Paano naging 200 and 100? I just set a simple example. You can make that any number you want, pero yun ang pinakamadali for me. Basta laging gagamitin ang 100 when it comes to population para madali nyo siyang masasolve, okay? Pag may ratio and may population, just use any simple example. Okay, yes. We used 100. Naging 3 is to 1 because we divided by 50. 150 divided by 50. 150 divided by 50. That's equal to 3. And 50 divided by 50 is equal to 1. Yes. Will you send the printed version? Yes, of the questions. Not printed, but like annotated, if that's what you mean. Yes. Thank you, Rain. That's so crazy. Yes, dati 100 viewers. So crazy. Thank you for being here, everybody. This is Samsung Notes app. Next question. Are we ready? A patient must take his medication every 7 hours, starting at 7 a.m. On what day will the patient first receive his medication at 6 p.m.? So, I don't know if there's an easier way to do this, but I think we just have to do it one by one. We just have to do it one by one. So, let's start with Sunday. Sunday, 7 a.m. And then, the next one will be every 7 hours daw. So, plus 7, this will be 14, which is 2 p.m. You have to know military time, guys. 2 p.m. of Sunday pa rin. Tapos, 9 p.m. And then, after 9 p.m., kailangan nyo lang mag-add ng 7. Yes. So, plus 7 here will be 4 a.m. ng next day. 4 a.m. ng Monday na. So, ganito ko lang siya isusulat one by one. I'm not sure if we have a shortcut. And then, 11 a.m. And then, next will be 6 p.m. So, Monday agad. 6 p.m. ba yung tanong? The answer is A. Did you guys get A? The answer is A, right? You just have to add 7. Yes, so very basic. Sana ganyan lang yung tanong sa UPCAT, no? Yes, sana ganyan lang yung tanong sa UPCAT. A, Monday. Yes, did you guys get A? A nga. My answer key actually to, guys. Pero I don't know where the answer key is. Blurry daw. Pag masyado malayo, blurry, yeah. So we have to stick close. So the answer is letter A. Very basic. Next question. Tommy had, probability na tayo, guys. Tommy had a bag containing colored marbles. The colors are red, green, and white. There are thrice as many green as red marbles and twice as many white as green marbles. If a marble is drawn from the bag, what is the probability of getting a white marble? And this is a loaded question, as they would say. So, how will we solve this? Medyo malabo ba, guys? We have to zoom it in. So, how would we do this? Let's start one by one. So, there's red, green, and white. So, let's just write that down. Thrice as many green as red. So, there are thrice as many green as red. What does that mean? Is that 3 3 times red is equal to green. Tama ba? 3 times as many green. So, kung 9 to, tapos 3 si red, kailangan niya ma-multiply sa 3 para maging equal to 9. So, there are twice as many green as there are red, and twice as many white as there are green. Twice as many white as there are green. Yes. It's late na me. It's okay, Debbie. Welcome back to the live. Yes, you guys need to lock in. We have 11 days left. I'm actually gonna make a TikTok after this. This is not online class. This is just UPCAT review. Okay. So, do you guys get this part? Kailangan gets nyo siya para ma-solve natin siya. Do we get this part? Yes or no? How do we explain this better? Ulit po. Okay, we do it again. So, we're gonna do it again. How do I explain this? Sabi kasi, thrice as many, let's write it down. Thrice as many green marbles as there are red. So, how will we write that down in terms of equation? The way we write that down is, for example, mag-isip tayo. Thrice as many green as there are red. So, let's say red, isa lang si red. So, si green, tatlo daw siya kasi thrice as many, diba? So, dapat, paano natin siya i-form into an equation? Kailangan maging equal sila. Kaya green ay nilagay ko dito sa side na to. And kailangan mag-multiply tayo ng 3 dito para maging equal sila. So, when you say thrice as many, doon mo siya i-multiply sa kabilang side. So, thrice as many daw si green, hindi ka mag-multiply sa green. Mag-multiply ka sa kabilang side para maging equal sila. Okay? So, that's what we're doing. Yes, hindi sa opposite. Kasi, pag dito tayo nag-multiply, sobrang dami na. 3 times na nga siya eh. 3 times siya ng green. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng thrice as much. 3 times as many green as red. Tama ba? Not me questioning myself. 3 times as many green as there are red. Yes. I think that's correct. 3 times as many green. So, wag kayo malito, guys. Dapat, yes. Wag kayo malito. Same thing sa ginawa natin dito. Sa second, there are twice as many white as there are green. Twice as many white. So, si white, mag-isa lang siya. And then, kung alin yung twice as many, yun yung imumultiply sa green. Ay, yun yung imumultiply sa 2. Yes, ang daming tao. Kaya mo yan, Nico. Nico, kaya mo yan. Okay. So, what do we do now with this information? Ang kailangan natin gawin, ipagsama natin yung dalawang equation. Paano natin sila ipapagsama? As you can see, pareho silang may green. Pareho silang may green, pero magkaiba yung amount ng green nila. So, alin yung gusto nyo mag-adjust? For me, pwede mag-adjust yung green dito. Kasi isa lang siya. So, paano natin gagawing proportionate yung green niya? We're gonna turn this into 2 green. Okay? And how do we turn that into 2 green para same itong dalawa? You have to multiply both sides by 2. Okay? You have to multiply both sides by 2. And so, this one will become 6r is equal to 2g. Gets ba natin? 6r is equal to 2g. And dahil 2g is equal to w, pwede na natin siya isulat dito. Is equal to w. So, ginawa na natin siyang iisang equation. Okay? 6 is to 2 is to 1. Yes. So, that's what we did. So, now, ang ratio niya, basically, like they said, ratio is 6 is to 2 is to 1. Yun ba yun? Wait lang. Let's see. Hello, Yuri. Welcome to the live, guys. Yes. If you're new here, make sure to follow. What do we do next? So, the question is, if a marble is drawn from the bag, what is the probability of getting a white marble? So, how do we do that? So, yung total niya, wait lang. Tama ba? 6 is to 2 is to 1? Ba't parang ang dami namang red? Hindi ata ganun yun. So, wait. Ang ibig sabihin kasi nito, guys, sa isang red, may 6 na white. Yun ang ibig sabihin niya. And then, sa isang, tama ba? Am I correct in that thinking? I think that's what that means. Tapos, sa isang, yes. Or sa baligtad. Or sa isang white, 6 yung red. But okay, let's just go with the baligtad. Isn't that regardless of the quantity of the marbles? I think so, yeah. Actually, we should have set values. So, kaninang sabi natin, isa lang si red, tatlo si green, and then twice as many white marbles as there are green. So, 1, 3, and 6 yung values na sinet natin. So, what is this total? Ang total nila ay 10. Tapos, ang tanong, what is the probability of getting a white marble? So, yung white dito ay yung 6. So, that will give us 6 over 10, which is just equal, in lowest term, to 3/5. Did you get it? It's 3/5, guys. White marble, 3/5. Letter A. Letter A, right? Letter A. I think it's letter A. Paano po naging 10? In-add up lang natin. 1 plus 3 plus 6. So, ang ginawa din actually natin is nag-set tayo ng simple example. Ito, mahirap to gawin. Pero, medyo understandable siya. But, what we can do is we set the simple example pala. Should I restart and explain it from the top using a simple example? Say yes or no. Yes or no? Okay, I don't wanna do this one. Mas mahirap pala to. Let's put this to the side and forget about that for now. I'm gonna explain using the simple example. So, remember kanina, ang ginawa nating simple example dito ay 100. Kasi pagdating sa percentage, mas madali na mag-solve ng percent pag percent ng 100 yung kinukuha. But for a question like this, kailangan natin mag-set ng color. So, let's start sa color. Kailangan natin mag-set ng values. Ilan ang green? Ilan na green ang gusto natin? Ilan na green, red, and white? So, tayo ang magbibigay. So, yes, we're gonna give the amount that we want. And to start, we start with thrice as many green. Etong unang saying. Thrice as many green as red. So, dun pa lang sa saying na yun, naisip ko na red, since red yung pinakaunti, gawin lang natin isa yung marble niya. Tapos, kung thrice as many si green, ilan ang marbles ni green, guys? Ilan ang green kung thrice as many siya? Etong thrice as many, kung isa lang si red, ilan ang green? Yes, Jace and Pitumput and Andrea. Yes, good job. Dapat 3 na siya. Based lang sa saying dito sa yellow na tinignan natin. Now, alam na natin na 1 and 3 ito. Let's look at the last one. Twice as many white as green. So, kung green natin is 3, ilan na daw yung white natin? Just based on this. Ilan na ang white natin based on the saying na twice as many daw sa green ang white. E di 6 lang siya. Yes, good job, 6. So, we just multiply it kasi we're just looking at multiplying it by 2. So, times 2 natin. Dito, times 3. Ang hirap pala nung tinuro ko kanina, more on pang M-top pala yun. Kasi pag ratio yung hinahanap, ito yung gagamitin. Pero hindi pala ratio, probability pala. So, now we have 1, 3, and 6. 1, 3, and 6. And then, ito na yung numbers na gagamitin natin. So, when you get probability is always equal to the option or kung ano yung pinili over total. So, yan ang formula ng probability. Let's delete this. The formula of this is pinili over total. So, wala ka dito sa taas. Char. Ano ba yung pinili? A marble is drawn from the bag. What is the probability of getting white? So, white daw ang gusto niyang piliin. So, alam natin na white over here is 6. Right? 6 is the white. So, we put 6 on top. Tapos, ang total niya ay 10. 1 plus 3 plus 6 ay 10. 1 plus 3 plus 6 is 10 over 10 is equal to 3/5. Amazing. We did it together, guys. Wag na mag-probability. Kasama ba yun? Kasama yun sa UPCAT, guys. Kailangan masaktan para matuto, diba? Para mas maalala nyo yung yung formula. Pagdating na ng probability sa UPCAT, iisipin nyo, ano nga yung formula ng probability? Yung pinili, kasi di ako pinili. Ganun yun, diba? Okay, are we ready to move on? Hindi ka na nga pinili, kaya mag-move on na tayo. 200k likes. Thank you guys for 200k likes. That's so crazy. Mock questionnaires are free on my Instagram. Make sure to follow me and join the Instagram channel. I post the annotated files there. So if gusto niyo yung files na to na may sulat, nakalagay na siya dun sa Instagram channel. Okay? Okay, we're ready to move on. UPCAT is the UP College admission test. So if you're a freshman, you don't need it anymore. Which term of the arithmetic sequence 258 is equal to 227? Hala guys, you need the formula knowledge for this one. Formula knowledge. So, let me think. So, the formula of a sub n, you need to memorize this guys, is, wow, basic daw, sabi ni Chin, is a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. N minus 1 times d, where n is the number or the nth term and d is the common difference. So, first thing we have to do, look for the common difference. What's the common difference? 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So, d is equal to 3. Common difference is 3, or kung ilan ang i-add sa bawat number. Now, alin yung a sub n? A sub n is equal to 227. So, we just have to put that in the formula. 227 is equal to a sub 1. Ano yung a sub 1, guys? What's a sub 1? It's 2. Yung unang number is a sub 1. Yes, a sub 1 is 2. Good job, Diane Lee. 2 plus n minus 1 times 3. So, we have 2 plus n minus 1 times 3. And now, we just have to solve for n. So, what's the first thing we can do? We can transpose 2 to the other side. That will give us 227 minus 2 is equal to n minus 1 times 3. Transpose lang natin or nilipat natin sa kabilang side. That's 225. So, minus na natin is equal to n minus 1 times 3. And then, divide both sides by 3. So, when you divide both sides, magiging, ano yung sagot guys? 21, 70, 75 is equal to n minus 1. Right? Tama, 75. N minus 1. Tapos, transpose to the other side. So, n is equal to 76. The answer is 76. Wow, amazing. Letter C. C for Christ as always. When in doubt. Amazing. You guys did that on your own? Amazing. Ano po yung name ng channel? Instagram channel or YouTube? YouTube is over here. Instagram is over here. Just check it out over here, guys. So, wow. Yes. X. You guys get it? The answer is letter C. Are we still going? Are we still continuing? Thank you for following, guys. Too easy daw. Okay. Too easy pala eh. Next question. Next question. You can't bring a calculator to the UPCAT, so yes. Next question. How many consecutive odd integers of an arithmetic sequence starting from 9 must be added in order to obtain a sum of 15860? Hala, ang laki. Ang laki niya, guys. So, ano daw gagawin? Kailangan ilang number, ilang n ang i-add para maging S of n. So, the sum ng lahat. Paano nakuha yung 75? Divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3. So, 225 over 3 equals n minus 1, 3 over 3. We divided both sides by 3. Okay? So, S of n is equal to, can somebody tell me the formula? So, yung sum ng lahat ng numbers na n is equal to n over 2. Is that correct? A sub 1, I'm guessing, plus n minus 1 over times d. Something like that. Is that wrong? I feel like that's wrong. A sub n, is that correct? Oh, a sub n. Oh, a sub 1. 2a sub 1. I think that's the answer. 2a sub 1. May kulang. Yes, may kulang sa'yo. Char. 2a sub 1. Oh, tama ako. 2a sub 1. Yes, so the answer is, ay, wala pang answer. So, what do we do with this information? Hinahanap natin si n. So, ayun lang. Hinahanap natin si n. And we have, this is s sub n. Ito si s sub n. And ipapasok lang natin sa formula. That will be 15860 is equal to n sub 2 times 2. Ano yung a, guys? A sub 1 is 9. 2 times 9 plus n minus 1 over d. Ay, times d. Ano yung d dito, guys? What is d? D is equal to, can somebody tell me what d is? What is d if odd numbers ang pinag-uusapan? What is D? Yes, good job, Joey and Jazz and Nicole. And creations of Pau. D is equal to 2. Bakit 2? Kasi to go from 3, 5, 7, 9, you have to move by 2. So, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Same lang pag consecutive even. Actually, same lang. Basta consecutive even or odd, 2 yung difference nila. So, n minus 1 times 2. So, now we just have to solve. Una kong gagawin, guys, let me think. You can see kasi na may multiply by 2 dito and 2 dito. Tapos 2 din dito. So, yung gagawin ko is ika-cancel ko na yun. Pwede yun i-cancel, guys. So, instead of, yung safe kasi na gawin, if hindi mo yun nakikita, pwede mo muna siya i-multiply dito sa kabilang side. But, as you can see, dahil may 2 na dito, may 2 dito, and may 2 dito, pwede natin siya i-cancel para mas madali na buhay natin. Yes, we cancel all 3. Bakit all 3? Kasi, okay, if you wanna see how it's canceled, actually, itong 2 dito, pati itong 2, pwede siya i-factor out. Pwede mo siya ilabas, and magiging 2 siya sa labas dito. Tapos, yung 2 na yun, yung pwede mong i-cancel. Cancel mo silang dalawa. So, kaya siya pwede i-cancel. Okay? Hindi siya 29, 2 times 9 siya. 2 times a sub 1, and a sub 1 is equal to 9. Okay? S sub n is the sum of all the terms. A sub n is the nth term. So, yun yung difference nila. Okay? So, sum ang hinahanap natin. Sum. Okay, so I'm gonna cancel that if that's okay with you. What would happen to 9? Matitira pa rin si 9. 9 pa rin siya. Kasi multiplied by 2 lang naman siya. So, kakancel ko na siya, guys, kung okay lang naman. Char. Cancel. And that will leave us with 1, 5, 8, 60 is equal to n times 9, 9 na lang matitira, plus n minus 1. So, what do we do next? Ang hirap naman, ang laki ng number. Kaya pa ba natin to? Char. I feel like kaya natin yan. Next thing we do, I think we can put together 9 and negative 1. That will give us 1, 5, 8, 60 is equal to n times 8 plus n. Right? N times 8 plus n. Tapos, that would just equal 8n plus n squared. So, pwede ko na ba i-put together yun? Or, we have to write it down one by one. Let's just write it down so people don't ask questions. So, we distribute n. That will be 8n plus n squared. Dinistribute lang natin si n over here. Wow, there's still 1.5k people. Bakit 8 plus n? We put together 8 and 9 and negative 1. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay? 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. We're answering the Filipinos UPCAT practice questions. You can check it out on their website. Meron din silang answer key nito. So, if ayaw nyo makinig sa akin, pwede nyong tignan na lang yung answer key. Yes. Okay, so, eto na yung meron tayo. Kailangan natin siya i-factor, guys. Grabe naman sa factor ito. So, what do we do? Napa-factor ba yan? Is it factorable? Well, it has to be, right? Am I wrong? Saan nagkamali? Char. Feel ko factorable naman siya. So, what do we do here? 8n squared. Hindi siya 8n squared. 8n lang siya. So, we move this to this side para magkakasama na sila. And that will be n squared plus 8n minus 15860 is equal to 0. So, dito na tayo gagawa ng dalawang bubbles katulad kanina. We make the two bubbles like this with n and n. So, isang positive and isang negative. Kasi, negative ang final number dito. So, ngayon, the thing I'm thinking of is kung nasa UPCAT ako, paano ko to sasagutan? Like, what the hell? So, the way I would answer this is titignan ko muna ang possible. May mamamultiply ba sa 19 or sa 9 na dulo na possible siya maging 0 ang dulo? Kasi 0 ang dulo nito. 0 ang dulo nito. Tapos, dapat within 8 lang ang difference nila. 'Di ba? Kasi dapat positive 8 ang lalabas. So, dapat within 8 lang ang difference nila. So, mag-trial and error tayo. Tama ba? We're gonna have to trial and error. Wala daw. Wala ba? So, anong pwedeng tanggalin na dyan? I feel like one of them has to be 120, right? 120, 121, 122. I studied in Mandaluyong Science High School, which is a science high school in Mandaluyong. Hindi pwede ang evaluate. What do you mean evaluate? 120, I think. I feel like it has to be 120. So, wait. Let's see what we can do about this. What can we do? Dapat within 8 lang ang difference nila. Paano kaya yun isa-solve? So, x times y is equal to 15860. X plus y is equal to... I don't think... How will I... I'm trying to think of a shortcut. Sorry, guys. I mean, we can just solve it by... 122 and 130. How did you guys get that? Did you guys solve for that, like, actually? But okay, we can just go with that. Kasi dapat ang difference nila ay 8. Sabi nila, 122 times... Bawal tayo mag-calcu. Feel ko hindi naman gantong UPCAT. What do you think, Nico? Will the UPCAT be like this? Pero, I don't think... Number 13, hala. Wala pa tayo dun. Yes. Okay, so let's just... The answer daw is, yes, 130. 130 and 122. I don't know how they got that without the calculator, but trust me, it won't be this hard. Wala sigurong... Basta ayan ang factors niya, guys. And dahil magiging positive, ay negative to, n equals negative 130, hindi siya pwede. So, ito na lang ang pwede, which is n is equal to 122. So, wag kayo kabahan, guys. Medyo mahaba lang siya, but it teaches you naman yung way ng pag-solve. Pero, kung ifa-factor yan on your own without the calculator, I honestly, matatagalan kayo. So, what I would say is, do the process of elimination muna. Process of elimination, since 0 ang dulo nito, ang possible lang na pwede ma-multiply dyan ay hindi possible ang 119, hindi possible ang 121. So, dahil even number ito, yun yung nakikita kong possible. From there, 50-50 ang chance mo. Manghula ka na lang. 50-50 chances. Which would you choose? A, B or D? So, that's up to you to choose. These are the only possible options. Tapos, yes, trial and error, guys. Or skip nyo na lang. But remember, in the UPCAT, you shouldn't skip. I mean, dapat by the end of the UPCAT, na-shade nyo lahat. Kasi it's better to hula than to leave blank. Okay? So, let's just go with letter D for that. And, yes, oras kalaban yun. For sure. Next question. Both divisible by 4? Yeah, both are divisible by 4. Actually, 122 is not divisible by 4. Which of these numbers cannot be a probability? Which cannot be a probability? Obviously, walang negative probability. So, the answer is A. No negative probability, guys. Pwede 1, 0, 0.5. Next, yes. Hala, we're back to population. The blood groups of 200 people is distributed as follows. 50 have type A, 65 have type B, 70 have type O, and 15 have type AB. If a person from this group is selected at random, what is the probability that this person has O blood type? So, all you have to do is pinili over total. Remember, pinili over total, what we learned kanina. Ang hirap makapasok sa top 3 viewers. Nico, grabe ka naman, top 1 viewer right now. Ang deduction is sa mali, is, oh yes, 0.25 lang yung deduction. So, that's 70 over 200. Bakit 70? Kasi 70 yung may type O. Type O is 70 over 200 people. So, O blood type ang hinahanap. And that will leave us with 7 over 20. Paano na kung yung 7 over 20? You can just cancel out a 0 over here. Pag may 0 sa taas and sa baba, you can just cancel them. And that will leave us with 7 over 20. Now, how would I solve that to get the fraction form? Yung 7 over 20 kasi, wala siya sa, well, obvious na ba, guys? Letter C or D? Kasi obviously, it's not A or B. So, it's C or D, right? Is it obvious or not? Yes, very obvious. I think it's C. Bakit siya C? Okay, the way my brain works, bakit siya C? Kasi 0.35, 35 is divisible by 7. 7 yung number natin dito. Pero that's not a very concrete way of looking at it. Obvious kayang hulaan. Obvious daw kasi. Yes. Another way of looking at it is, we can divide this by 2. Gawin nating 10 yung decimal sa ilalim. And then yung taas, what will it be kung 10 yung ilalim? Divide by 2, what will the top be? It will be, what will the top be, guys? 3.5. Good job, Jay Stavino. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. 3.5 divided by 10. And 3.5 divided by 10 is the same thing as moving the decimal place 1 to the left. So that will give us 0.35. Wow, we got it! 0.35. Amazing. Bakit by 10? Kasi pag divided by 10, pwede mo siya ma-move. Okay? Wait, I just remembered another technique. Let me try to explain it. Wag na nga. Actually, hindi ko pala alam. Wait lang. I have a technique for these ones, guys. Let's go back to similar fractions. Let me show you the technique for similar fractions. So, for example, we have 2 over 30. Do you guys know the decimal place of 2 over 30? Yes or no? If you don't know what it is, all you have to do is titignan nyo yung kung ano yung simple fraction niya. Yung simple fraction niya is 2 over 3. Diba 2 over 3 ang simple fraction niya? So, let's write that down. Simple fraction is 0.67. Tapos, kung ilan ang 0 dito sa ilalim, yun ang ilalagay natin, isisingit natin dito. Okay? So, it will be 0.067. Yes, Rutherfordium, good job. So, I'll give another one. Let's try 4 over 50. What is this in decimal place, guys? What is this in decimal place? Yes, good job, guys. What is this in decimal place? What is 4 over 5? Remember, 4 over 5 is equal to 0.8. Kaya dapat memorize nyo to, guys. And then, itong 0, pwede natin ilipat, isingit natin siya dito. 0.08. Yes, it's 0.08. Wait, I need to write that down just in case I make a video later. I might make a video later. Where's my pen? Let's make a shortcuts video later. Okay, what else? Pag 4 over 500 daw. Pag 4 over 500, same lang yun, magiging 0.008. So, ganun lang siya, guys. Shortcuts. Simple fraction shortcuts. Why 0.8? It's given. This is why I told you to memorize. If you guys are new here, make sure to memorize this list. So, you can't ask, bakit 0.8 ang 4 over 5? Need nyo siya i-memorize, okay? You have to memorize all of this. Okay, I'll give another example. What is 1 over 800? Ooh, what do you think about this one? 1 over 800, what's the answer? Yes, 0.00125. Amazing. 125. Hala, nag-solve siya mag-isa. 0.00125. Yes, do we have any more questions? Or are we ending here, guys? 450, 0.08. Shortcut. Okay. Do we keep going? Wait, nasa na tayo? Nasa end na tayo ng 14. There are more, but we can do it tomorrow if you guys want. Next live, we go live every day. Yes, I play ML. We go live every day, so just check it out. I think I'm gonna make a TikTok video right after this, so make sure to follow. Next live, yes, because people are brain dead, kinda. We can do number 15 to 30 ata to. 15 to 30 tomorrow. So, we did 12 numbers for today. You guys can continue to solve it if you want, and then we can do it tomorrow, yes. We can do it tomorrow, don't you worry. And just make sure to stay safe, guys. Sobrang maulan. Hopefully, wala na bukas. Pero, yes. I'm gonna make a video right after this, so make sure to follow. Check it out later. What do you want me to solve, guys? I might solve one from the email. Should I solve one from the email? Which do you want me to repeat on a TikTok from this one? Pero, this one. Do we want this one? Do you want a TikTok of this one? Or, ito yung ginawa natin kanina. Do Do you want to do this one? Yes, this one. The PDFs, yes, they are available. They are on my Instagram channel. I share the links sa Instagram channel and TikTok bulletin. So, yes, just follow my Instagram para ma-join nyo yung Instagram channel. Square, this one. Okay, we can do this one. Yes. Okay, I'll make this one right after the live, and then we can go back live tomorrow. I'll post this on YouTube. Yes, I post the recordings on YouTube. So make sure to check out my YouTube. Although, papalitan ko yung values, guys, para hindi magalit ang UPCAT. Okay? We're gonna change the values dito. Gagawin kong 4, 6. Basta papalitan ko yung values. Okay? So, kayo na bahala mag-solve ng normal. Pero, nandito naman yung PDF. Okay? Kailan live every day 8 p.m. So just come back here every day at 8 p.m. Welcome to the people that are new here. Thank you for joining us today. Ang dami natin for today. My favorite book, I'm a fiction girly, so I have The School for Good and Evil. It became a movie, but the movie was ass, so don't watch the movie. Thank you, What's Forever. Sorry to the person I fought kanina. Maybe they left the live and then nagrant sila sa Reddit ng sama kong tao. Char. You're welcome, guys. I'm gonna answer this one later on TikTok. So, I'll post it on TikTok. Just check it out, okay? See you guys. Say goodbye. Vector, is that physics? I don't know about physics. What happened? Wala lang. Somebody said, I forgot what they said. There's no T. Sabi lang nila kanina. Paulit-ulit daw nakainis. Tapos kala ko ako yung inaaway nila. May nagsaspam pala ng comments. Kasi hindi ko nakikita yung comments. So yes, bye Andrea and Rain Juliana. Yes, IG, the whole recording will be uploaded on YouTube, but this PDF is already on Instagram. So go check my Instagram channel. Go check the Instagram channel. Also, if you have something urgent, you can just comment on a post of mine. Kasi yung DMs, guys, minsan ko lang na-check kasi sobrang dami. So if you really have something urgent to ask, comment na lang kayo sa post sa IG, like a latest post. I think I'm more likely to see it by then. So, yeah. See you guys. Bye, Jace Davino. Miss niya na daw. Shout out sa miss mo. Hala, Nico, gabi naman. Ako lang to. Char. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. We can end at 9:36 because 9 times 4 is 36. Right, Nico? Do you agree with 9:36, Nico, or 9:38? Bye, guys. Oh, 9:36 na. Yes. Bye, Chin. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. 9:38, Nico. 9:36 daw. Sige, we can go na, guys. Make sure to follow. See you later. I'll post a TikTok. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye, Nico. Thank you.